about to start getting ready right now because Danny and I are going to a concert tonight, which I'm looking forward to, except we're both very hungover. We went to the Union last night and just drank way too much. So I feel so sick and I just need a huge nap. But I don't have time for that, so I'm trying to push through. We're seeing a band called Skipnish, who I've seen before. Saw them in 2018 in Fort William, actually, with two of my friends, which was really nice. So I'm excited to see them again. I look pretty rough. I do not feel good. I do not feel good at all. Danny's parents are actually meant to go to the concert tonight, but his parents aren't feeling well, so we're gonna go instead. Danny's cooking us dinner right now before we leave. How are you feeling? I finished my makeup and I did my hair and I'm wearing this, but it's a dress. I'm wearing joggies right now. It's a nice autumnal day today. So Danny and I are about to leave the flat. We're gonna go get some food and then I think we're gonna have a nice walk and do some shopping because Danny has decided that he wants to get some nice fashionable clothes because Danny actually has really good style and he helps me choose outfits. I still like what you wear though, obviously, but he wants to get some more cool clothes, so I'm really excited about this. Here's my outfit for the day. I actually wore this the other day for drinks, but thought I'd wear it again. Got this jumper that I got from a charity shop last week. We actually went charity shop shopping, but I didn't film it. Got this skirt on that I got from Depop. I think it's originally Zara. Got some white tights that have polka dots on it. Just ignore how messy our room is. And then I'm wearing these new boots that I got also from the charity shop. These were £15. Only thing is I feel like when I wear it like this, like it looks a bit frumpy. Do you know what I mean? So I need to like kind of pull it off a bit, but this is my outfit.
We'll find something in here that we can have with our chicken for dinner. I swear I needed something.
Look at these sparkly bat earrings that I got. We got back a few hours ago. These are the only things that I got. Handmade in Glasgow it says, and they were only £5. They were from Roots and Fruits. I didn't realise they did that kind of thing. I really like these and they had like tons of different ones, but I wanted to go for the bats to be spooky. Danny ended up getting a pair of trousers from the charity shop, which is good because that's kind of what we were looking for. We also bought some stuff to make a pumpkin pie, which I'm gonna go do now. I really wanted to do some like Halloween autumn themed baking. The only thing is we've made pumpkin pie twice. The first time I liked it, second time I didn't. So this could go either way. Here is the pumpkin stuff that we got. This is from Roots and Fruits. And then we bought this pastry case from Waitrose. You look like a pumpkin. You could get in your matching Grinch pajamas with me if you want. Danny doesn't want to show you his trousers, so I'm going to show you them. These are the ones that he got. Quite long though, so we're going to have to get them.
They were very long and I'm short.
They were only, how much, £4?
£4.
Not bad.
£4.
I unfortunately did not find anything for myself.
So the day was a waste.
Except those earrings. Now we're gonna make the pumpkin pie.
You and that TikTok Juliet.
Oh, this looks like carrot. We don't have enough of that milk. No, it's not.
Let me go. You can shoot eggs lightly beaten. That looks delicious. Oh no.
Nice.
Not wrong with that.
Got my new bat earrings in today. I feel like they're a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be though, so hopefully they don't look very weird, but I'm absolutely freezing. But we're about to leave because we're going home to my house today to have dinner with my family, which I'm really excited excited about. So this is what I'm wearing, just an all black outfit. I also just started my period, so I'm in so much pain.
Didn't want a tea or coffee.